Fear not, Mary, came the angel's voice. You have found favor with the Lord. Behold, you will conceive a child, a son whose name shall be Jesus.
Grace has come, the promise drawing near. Hope now enters the world. Fear not, for God has shown you favor. Behold, the Son is given, Jesus. Life breaks into the waiting earth, His name declared from heaven's throne. Fear not, for God has shown you favor. Behold, His name is Jesus.
Fear not, Mary, heaven's message falls, chosen for the gift of God's own grace. You will carry the promised one and call His holy name Jesus.